When your drive-through shift isn't going too well.
Bro, ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. So I walk in this room, yeah? What are you telling me, blood?
Tired. Tired, you know, like...
I got own bed to himself. I'm sorry for disturbing you, bro. Yeah, keep sleeping, innit?